All right, it says determine the scale factor. Okay, the scale factor is defined by this value of k, right? It's a ratio of the, it's always the new over the old. Okay, so grab any length that you want. All right, so I'm going to cheat, right? Notice that the height from the x-axis to the f here is a value of 2. Okay, so that is the old image. So this I'm going to erase. So okay, we can make it a 2. Then this is the new one, right? This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. So that's actually the k value. The k value is 3 over 2 or 1.5, right? If you don't believe me, you can calculate the diagonal, but it does get better. So it is a enlargement of the value of 1.5 for the k value. Okay, right? And b, h goes to h prime. Okay, so just look at the height. So again, k, it is going to be new over old, right? So the k value, what is the new value? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 divided by the old value, which is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So the k value here is going to be 1/2. So this is a, what's the opposite of enlargement? This is a reduction. A reduction of k equals to 1/2. Okay, so again, you can use any distance you want. You just have to make sure it's new over old to get the scale factor. All right, so write its rule would be very simple. It is x comma y arrow 3 over 2 x comma 3 over 2 y. That would be the rule. For this one, x comma y arrow 1/2 x comma 1/2 y. See, the scale factor is just applied to the x and the y coordinate.